Hi, Ed Akehurst again with another Genius Pages tutorial. This time we're going to talk about embedding maps. Now, when I went through the original section, you may have noticed that there is a maps section, and you can move a map in here. The problem with this is right now the maps is not connected to anything. It's not integrated with anything. It's really just a picture. So what you want to do to embed a map is go to embeds, and remember from a previous video when we were talking about embedding video and images, you do not want the embed from the blocks area. That one is for some reason not functioning properly. So go to components and grab your embed and put it wherever you want. Let's say we want it between let's put it between the header and the text. You can click embed your code here. Where we're going to get the code this time is going to be from a map software. Now, Google Maps is pretty good. You may have a different one that you like to do, but they all basically work similar. You're going to put in, let's do downtown Lancaster, PA. That's very close to where I am. Let's see, I don't know what they're going to, usually they give us some options. Here we go, Josephine's. That's a good one. That's a local restaurant here. Okay, so there's our map. And then in order to find the embed code, what you do is you go to share and then see send a link or embed a map. We want to embed a map. And up here in the upper left, you can choose your size. You can do a small map, you can do a medium map, you can do a large map, or you can do a custom size map. And you can make these any shape you want. It's not going to distort it. It's not a static image. It'll just, make your place the center of the map and then take it out from there. For this video, I'm just going to, let's just pick a medium one and just hit copy HTML. Now we're going to go back to the builder and we need to put that code in there. So remember from the video one, we click this code symbol after we've highlighted the embed your code here. Go up to where the number 1 is, click there and paste that code and hit save. And there's the medium map. And remember, we can make little changes, like if this text here is a little too close, let's add a 15 margin at the top. We can apply changes. You'll see that goes down a little bit. And remember to save your work. And sometimes these embed ones don't show up perfectly in the previews, but let's try it and see if it shows up. If it doesn't, that's okay. What we can do is just we'll go to the actual web page itself. And again, remember, if you don't remember where that is, let me show you that just while we're here. Learn something else on this tutorial. Go to Site Settings, go down to the bottom. There's our website URL. I'm just going to copy that. We can go back here, and we can just take a look at what we have. And there's our map. And you can scroll it around. It's a regular Google map. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and you can hit View Larger Map, and that will actually open that map in Google Maps if they want to get directions and things like that. So there are all kinds of things they can do from there. So that is how to do maps in Genius Pages. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another one.